Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Monday, the 24th of April, 2023. In a week that doesn't have a lot of serious economic data. I mean, there's some, but not the big week. The market's starting off fairly quiet, in fact, in the stock indices, as you can see. Gold tried the downside, came back a little. Silver's close to unchanged. Copper market down 185. Now, I'm moving my analysis now to the July in the copper and the silver. So this will be the last time that you see those two. On the energy markets, now you're still punching to new lows in the gasoline. And the funny part is I'm sitting here yesterday and all of a sudden as I'm watching some TV, they're talking about rising gasoline prices in the Chicago area. And I'm going, I don't know. Why is that going down? And that's not happening there. Bonds and notes. I think you look for stability now coming into the market. We're a week away from the FOMC meeting. It's not this week, it's the week after. I think the market is completely baked in a 25 basis point hike. And no, I have not joined the camp where after that it's one and done. Show me the data. Let's see how strong or weak the jobs and CPI data come out as we get rolling into May for the month of April, obviously. Dollar down a little bit, so we're getting a bounce in a number of currencies. I'm a little concerned about the Japanese yen. Let me explain my thought process here. This is the first bank meeting coming up this week, this Friday, for a new bank governor, Ueda. And will he surprise the market, say something that is out of tune? I had my clients in this market on the short side, and today I told them, I said, I'm getting a little uncomfortable. Maybe it's time that we walk away. Let's see what he says, how he says it. I don't like going into a new bank governor meeting. Is he going to put a stamp on this? We don't know what he's going to do. In terms of economic data out, the Chicago Federal Reserve national activity did come out. It's the same negative number that it was last month, in the month of February. It's a negative 19 for March versus a negative 19 in February. The Dallas Fed will come out with their monthly regional and manufacturing outlook for April, and that comes out today at 9:30 in the morning. Baker Hughes came out on Friday, and they showed rig count went up 5. It had been coming down recently. This coming Friday, as I said, we're going to get the Bank of Governor monetary policy meeting and his first stamp on his reign at the helm. Will there be surprises? Will he say something he doesn't mean to say? We don't know what to expect. I, for one, don't know how he speaks, how it's going to translate. So I want to see that before I make too many decisions in that. And I want to remind you, typically every morning, starting at 5:15, I start recording my morning videos. And in those videos, we're going to talk trade recommendations, trade setups, entry, exit points, using both daily and weekly charts, if you will. Saturdays, we'll go to all weekly charts for the long-term views. We cover all this, my Star Wars look there. And we try to give you trade ideas for you to work with, at least thoughts. Now, if you think about it, you go out, you buy a cup of coffee, give you an example, and you're going to spend with your tip, I know what I do, probably $6-7. Your intro price on this is $7.95 for 24 videos for 31 days. You're not committed beyond that. 1 cup of coffee, 24 videos, each averaging 15 to 20 minutes long, trade ideas. To me, it's a no-brainer. How do you get it? Move right up here. You'll see an icon. Give it a click. You can go to our website, iraepstein.com, under research. You can call my staff. They'll work with you as well. Join me. If you're watching on YouTube, by the way, you can join as well. It's not quite all the same thing there, but there's a join button there as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great day. I will talk to you all this evening as we do the market wrap-ups. Trade well.